Okay, good morning one and all. Okay, today's class we discussed about the error detection codes. So far we discussed about the other binary codes. Other binary codes means BCD code, Gray code, XS3 code and ASCII codes. BCD codes means abbreviated as binary coded decimal, and Gray code is converting the Gray code to decimal code and decimal to code to Gray code, and XS3 code means, for example, we have to take the binary number as 1. XS3 means we have to add 1 to the 3. That means that is called as a XS3 code. ASCII code means American Standard Code Information Interchange. These are discussed so far in the earlier class. Okay, now we discussed about the error detection code. Okay, there are two types of error detection codes. Basically, we have two types of error detection codes. These are detection and correction. What the error has to be occurred that can be detected, and what the error that can be to be corrected. Okay, here there are the two types of a single error that can be consisting as detection and correction. Any error we have to, first of all we have to detect that error, and then the error where the error is occurred that can be corrected. The single error, that is detection and correction. We have basically two types of error detection codes, that is detection and correction. These are called as error detection code and error correction code. Okay, error detection codes are used to detect the error, prevent the received data bit stream. Okay. Okay, error detection code. For example, in this error detection code, we have to take the binary numbers 0, 0, 1. This is the information that is sent from sender side to receiver side. The data that can be transferred in the form of binary only. The error is here the sender side, that 0 will be transferred. Then the receiver side is 1. This is the error will be occurred. This can be detected by using the error detection code and then correcting by error correction code. Okay, error detection codes are used to detect the error. Here we detect the error because the original message is 0001. The output of the message is 0011. Here error will be occurred. Error presents in the received data. This is the received data in the form of bit stream. Bit stream means this consisting of 4-bit data. This is in the form of and also binary format. Okay, error detection codes are usually blocked codes where the message is divided into the fixed blocks of bits. Fixed sized blocks of bits. Fixed size of blocks of bits means it is in the form of 4-bit representation, 8-bit representation, 16-bit representation and 32-bit representation. The message contain in the form of binary and in the form of data bits. That is called as fixed sized block of bits. And error detection and correction has practiced importance in maintaining the data information integrity across noise communication network channels and less than reliable storage media. For example, we have to send the data as message as hello. Hello means in the form of textual representation. In the form of hello, we represented as HELLO. Original message is like HELLO. This is a source side. The destination, the data that can be transferred HELLO. HELL. The data that can be transferred from source side to receiver side, the representation is missing. This is in the form of text. Here O is missing. That is known as a error detection. 1-bit representation will be error. Okay, in the form of text or binary or in any other form, the data that can be transferred from source side to destination side, the message will be not clear, content will be transferred. That is known as error that can be detected. Okay, is it transferring of data information through the noisy and also through the data that can be transferred from the source to destination through the communication network channel. Okay, through the communication network channel and less reliable. Less reliable means there is no quality and performance of the transferring the data. Transmission of data has not any good quality. Here the example of hello is like this. Okay, the transmission of the data is HELL. Okay, there is a noisy and also reliable also less. Reliable means quality and performance also decreases. Okay, this is a error detection code definition. Okay, and also error detection can send the additional information, so the incorrect data can be detected. Whenever the data that can be transferred from source to destination, there is a detection, there is a error will be occurred, that is known as a detection, and that rejected. Okay, the complete data not transferred to the destination side is known as a error and also error detection. Error detection and that can be rejected. Okay, error detection is ability to detect the presence of errors caused by the noise. Noise means not sufficient data does not send to the sender and receiver side. Here presence of error, noisy, caused by noisy means actual data is not sent from the source to destination. Okay, what the error can be detected, that can be rejected and rectified. Okay, error detection code are the sequence of numbers generated by specific procedures for detecting errors. Error detection codes are used for mainly we have to detect the errors of the message or any content in the data that has been transmitted over the communication network. For example, we have to send the messages in WhatsApp, okay, or Facebook. The data that can be transferred from through communication network channel from source to destination. The sender can send the data to the receiver. Whole original data is sent from sender to the receiver. There is no change. Here there is a change, that is known as a error detection or error occur. Okay, error detection codes are adapted when backward error correction techniques are used. Reliable data transmission. Error detection are adapted when the backward error correction techniques. Correction in error detection. Whenever the sender sends the data through the receiver, there is an error. We have some techniques, we have to modify that data. Okay, these are the reliable data transmission. Reliable means quality and performance of data transmission. Okay, through the communication channel, the data that can be transferred to the sender to receiver or source to destination. We have to change that error detection through some techniques, through some correction techniques are used for less high reliable. Are used correction techniques are used for reliable data transmission. These correction techniques are used for reliable data transmission. Reliable means quality and performance of the information. Next, an error detection code is in the form of binary code or in a text. A binary code that detects the digital error during the transmission. In error detection code, there is the information that can be in the form of binary code, that is digitalized error that is occurred in through the transmission channel. Error detection code is in the form of binary code that detects the digital error during the transmission. Okay. Here the most popular error detection and correcting code is Hamming code. Okay, here most popular error detection and error correction code is Hamming code. We have to correct from sender information to the receiver. Okay, for detecting the correcting the single bit error. Single bit error means, for example, we have to take 0011. In the receiver side, the message is transferred 0111. Here the error is occurred, 0 is placed as 1. This is a single bit information transfer, single bit error. This is known as a error detection code. Okay. The most common error detection code is parity bit. In this error detection code, mainly we have 3 types of error detecting techniques. First one is parity bit. parity bit, parity generator, next one, third one, parity checker. Parity bit, there are three most common techniques of error detection code: parity bit, parity generator and parity checker. Okay, the parity generator technique is one of the most widely used in error detection technique for data transmission from sender to receiver. In digital systems, when the binary data is transmitted and processed, data is subjected to noise such that the noise is, what is the noise? What is the meaning of noise? Means whenever the data in the form of zeros and ones from sender to receiver, there is misplaced with 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Misplace of 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, this is considered as noise transmission that can be detected by using these techniques: parity bit, parity generation and parity checker. Okay, a parity bit is added to word containing data in order to make the number of ones either even or odd. To rectify that transmission of data with error detecting, we have to use the one either even or odd. Okay, even or parity. We use the parity bit as even number or odd number. We use it to correcting the error data, error detecting code. Okay, parity generation is a combination of logical circuits. Combination of logical circuits generates the parity bit in the transmitter. Okay, this is seen in the next slide is the diagrammatic representation. A generator is a combination of logical circuits. Logical circuits means or logical circuit or NOR logical circuit. At the receiver end, the incoming bit is applied to a parity checker. Here in the parity bit, we have to identify what the data is to be corrupted or any error is occurred. In the generator, we have to transfer the data to the we have to combine the input and output to the combinational logical circuits, the generation of parity bit transmission. Original message is started from parity bit and then generation of message in the parity generator, and at end of the receiver the parity checker will be occurred. Okay, parity generator and parity networks. Parity generator and checker are the networks. Checker or the networks or logical circuit constructed with exclusive OR functions, exclusive OR function and exclusive NOR gate. In parity generator and parity checker, it can be constructed through with the combination of exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates for getting the desired resultant output. Okay, mainly we have the error detection techniques or parity bit, parity generator and parity checker. Once the original data is starts from parity bit, then combine it to the parity generator, that is in the combination of logical circuits generates the parity bit transmission. Parity bit is real message that can be transferred by using the parity generator with the combination logical circuits. At the receiving end, the incoming events are detected by using the parity checker, whether it message is correct message or not, any error is identified or not. Okay, and parity generator and parity checker networks is all the combination of both the logical NOR or OR operation, NOR and OR operation. Okay, this is a error detecting code truth table. Here it is the parity generator error detecting. This is a whole table is known as a truth table of parity generator. We have here we have to take the example of 3-bit representation. 3-bit representation. Here we take it as example as X, Y and Z. Here we have to start from 0 to 7. Okay, this is the binary numbers in the 3-bit representation. 000, 001, 010, 011. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the binary numbers in the form of 3-bit representation. It is considered as odd parity and it is considered as even parity bit. Here the one is how we calculated here 1 and 0. Here for example we have to take the one binary number 001. Here we have both the zeros and 1 is 1. Okay, here odd number is 1. That's why we have placed it as 1 is 0 and even number is 1. Okay, here we have 1 is, this is a 2 binary representation. Here 1 is odd number. That's why in odd parity bit we have placed it as 0. Okay, next 3. In this we have both the ones are in the even number. That's why even number will be 0, odd number is 1. Okay, next fourth one, 4 binary value is 100. Here we have to odd is only one is placed in this 4 binary number. That's why odd value will be 0 and even parity bit will be 1. Here 101 means both the ones are even. 2 ones are there. That's why 2 means even number. Here 2 ones are there. 2 means even number. That's why even number bit is 0. Odd number bit is 1. Here 2 ones means even number. 2 means even number. 2 ones is placed. That's why even number is 0. Here it is the odd number. Odd number means 3 ones. 3 means odd number. That why we have placed the odd parity bit will be the 0 and even parity will be 1. Okay. Okay. From first onwards we have to see 0 means here there is no one. Here it is all are 0. That's why even number will be the 0 and odd number will be 1. Okay. Next here only one is only in the one time. That's why it is one is odd number. That's why we place odd parity bit will be the 0 and even parity bit will be the 1. And here 1 is only in one time. Odd parity will be the 0 and even parity will between the 1. Okay, here 1 is in 2 times. That's why odd parity will be between 1 is even parity will be 0. Here 1 is only one time. That's why odd bit is 1 only one time. That's why 0. It is 1. Here 2 times. Here we place it the 2 times as a 1. That's why 2 is an even number. That's why even parity will be the 0. Here 110 means 1 is with 2 times. That's why even parity bit will be the 0. Odd will be 1. Here both the 3 cases are the 1. This is the odd number. That's why odd parity will be 0 and even parity bit will be the 1. Okay. Here this is a logical diagram. X, Y, Z is the input. Input means here we have to take the 3-bit representation. That's why X, Y, Z is the inputs. X, Y, Z. X means 0, 0, 1. The output will be the 1, 0. Here 0, 0, 1 is X, Y, Z. The odd parity bit will be the 0 and even parity will be between the 1. The resultant output will be shown in this circuit. This is a XOR exclusive. Exclusive X notation. Okay, in previous slides we see both the combination of logical circuit is NOR or XOR. This is a XOR, exclusive OR circuit symbol. This is a exclusive OR circuit symbol. Here the input is XYZ. Output is denoted as P. Here we have to take the 3-bit representation. That's why we take the XYZ as a input form. Okay, this is a error detection with odd bit, parity bit, odd parity bit. In the last truth table, we see the both the even parity bit, odd parity bit. This is only example for the error detection, odd parity bit. Here we have to take the 3-bit representation x, y, z. Here this has both the different symbols. This is the exclusive OR. This operation is exclusive NOR operation. Here both the differences in the symbols. Here there is a circle in the NOR operation. Here we have to take the 3-bit representation of XYZ. XYZ is taken in the XNOR notation, and that is in the resultant output. XOR will be calculated both the 3 bits, and the resultant desired output will be calculated through the XOR notation. Here also final result will be also placed in the XOR notation, XNOR notation, XOR XNOR symbol. Okay, XNOR symbol or XNOR notation. Okay, this is a parity generator. These 3 are the parity bits. These 3 are the parity bits. Here the parity bits can be calculated by using the XOR notation, and parity will be generated by the XOR notation by the another form, and here the original message is transferred, that can be checked by the parity checker. These both 2 OR notations are checked whether the transferring the binary digits is correct information or not. Any misplace of 0 to 1. Okay, here this is a error detection and odd parity bit. This is a XOR notation. This is a XOR notation, and it is XNOR notation. Okay, here there is a difference between here front side you have to the representation in the circle form. The form of circle. This is the difference between the NOR and OR operation. Here the calculation of OR operation will be the, here the inputs will be the XYZ. That is the calculation of X plus Y plus Z in the form of binary. For example, you have to take 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the input. We have to calculate it X plus Y plus Z. The whole operation is the calculation done by the OR operation. And NOR operation will be the resultant output of X, Y, Z. Okay, next the resultant desired output will be transferred to the parity checker. This is the first one is a addition of X, Y, Z. Calculation is called as parity generator. After completing of parity generation, the resultant output will be moved to the parity checker, whether the output will be the correct or not. This is the source side, and the last final error indication is the destination side. This is a source side and it is a destination side. Means this is a sender and it is a receiver. Here the resultant designed output will be correct or not. We have to check by using the parity checker with XOR. These both symbols are XOR. We have to, these both symbols are calculated the final result. The resultant output will be the correct or not. Transmitting from sender side message is correct or not. Then the final result will be placed in the XOR. XNOR. Here there is no indication of error, means okay, either here we have to take the binary number is 001. Here the resultant will be the 001, means it is a final result will be no modifications, because you have to misplace of 0 to 1s or 1s to 0 means 0. For example, you have to take 001. Here the both the conditions we have to misplace the 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. Here error is indicated. Okay, like this the parity bit error detection code will be occurred from source side to destination side. Okay. Okay, today's what we discussed about error detection code. Error detection codes are two types. Error detection codes means both the combination of detection, error detection codes and error correcting codes. This error detection, the message that can be transferred from sender to receiver in the form of any other modifications. For example, we have to send the data 4-bit representation of zeros, a combination of zeros and ones. There is a misplace of the sender to receiver side with 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. We have to check with the 3 techniques: parity bit, parity generator and parity checker. Parity bits, what type of data that can be transferred, means 4-bit or 8-bit representation. And what is a parity generator? What is the main message that can be transferred from through the XOR or NOR gates by using the circuit and also truth table. Okay, parity checker means whether the sender side of information is correct or not, we have to check by using the parity checker. Okay, finally the resultant output will be placed by using the NOR operation. The error will be identified or the correct message is transferred to the other side. Okay, this is a error detection code. Okay, thank you. Next class we discussed about the computer arithmetics.